kitchen and let's get cooking. Good looking. Today we're gonna sit there and do a leftover makeover, because what do you do with the leftover ham? Well, let me see. We can sit there and make ham fried rice. So let's get cooking. Good looking. I'm gonna be walking the walk. That's what I'm gonna be doing. Well, tonight we're gonna be rocking out with our walks out, and we're gonna be sitting there doing a makeover, leftover meal, I guess you could sit there and say, and it's gonna be ham fried rice. So with that all being said, let's go ahead and let's go and get started. You're gonna be sitting there kneading. I have down here 2 cups of chopped ham. I have a half a cup of frozen peas, and in my chopper back here I have half a cup of chopped carrots, and I have 1 small onion all chopped up. We need some soy sauce. We're going to be needing some sesame oil. I have 3 cups of cooked rice. You're going to be needing a green onion, and this one's a little big, but we'll make do of it. And some sesame oil. And the most important ingredient of them all is our beloved wok. Well, my wok happens to be cast iron, which I absolutely adore, and I am so anxious because I get to cook with it again. So I'm going to take this over to the stove, and I'm going to preheat my wok. Okay, I have my cast iron wok preheating, and now we're just going to go ahead and put about maybe 2 tablespoons of sesame oil, like such, and allow our wok to heat up. Okay, it seems like our wok is hot, so now we're going to take the cubed ham. We're going to put that in our wok, along with the carrot and the onion. Give it all a good stir. Now, as soon as our onion and our carrots start to get softened up a little bit and get a good caramelization going on them, and the sugars start coming out, but they're not quite cooked, I want you to go ahead and add the rice. So I'm going to go ahead and add all that. And stir that all up. And fry the rice up. Go ahead, add 2 to 3 tablespoons of soy sauce. You decide how much you want to add. Give that a few jizzes around inside our wok. Keep giving it a few jizzes every now and then. And we're getting real close to the time that we're going to be adding the frozen peas. Add the frozen peas. And there you go. That's how easy it is to make ham fried rice. Now I'm going to go ahead and put some in a bowl. And away I go. And there you go. That's how easy it was to make ham fried rice. Easy peasy, right? So if you liked what you saw here today, go ahead, give me a big old thumbs up. If you're not a subscriber yet to my channel, go up above, hit that subscribe button, tap that little bell. That way you'll always be notified every time I do put out a new video. And most of all, y'all come back now, you hear?